Hi. Um, Today I'm gonna be doing my puppy's makeup, but in, of course, digital life because I can't do it in real life. This is my puppy in real life, and we're gonna be doing her makeup. I don't know how this is gonna look, but okay, just gonna first start by doing a lipstick. I think that's a good color. Okay. Maybe I should make it a bit thicker. That's too thick. Okay, I think that's good. I'll just do a bit of erasing. Yeah, that's cute. And now, I'll do some blush. Okay, now some mascara. Okay, so far in my opinion, she's looking pretty good. Next one, maybe some eyeshadow. I'll do very light though, because I don't want it to look weird. I wonder what that glitch did. It doesn't really show up because of her brown fur. So, I'm just gonna do a little here and then just make it show. Wait, I'm gonna erase it here because okay, that's good. No. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good. What should I do next? Should I do earrings or a necklace? Maybe a necklace. Wait, I'm gonna save this color. I'm going to save this color so that I have it for later. Okay. And done with her necklace. I wonder what to do next. Maybe just trim a little. I think that's it. Yeah, she's looking pretty good. So, yeah, that is for today. Should I actually do her makeup in real life? Maybe not. Maybe it'll cause some skin disease for her. I don't know. Maybe not. Or maybe I could do a video of me putting makeup. But that's only if I show you guys my face. That's only if I show you my face. Which I'm not going to do for a long time, probably. But anyways, if you do want me to do a face reveal, then comment down below when do you think I should do it. But you are not allowed to say do it now. And someone just barked. Anyways, that's it for today. Bye.